Here we go again. This time I've got Julie with me. You can wave. Let's see Jenny wave.
Oh, hello.
And we're going to do the track that Sally Ann and I tried to do last weekend, but went the wrong way.
So anything could happen to me.
Anything could happen. Disclaimer. If you come with me, you come at your own risk. I do not take responsibility for anything that may happen or occur. I've got to do. Can you hold that for a minute, please?
Is it blocked off?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm warm already.
Yeah, me too. That's it, I've enough. Let's go back.
I've got a shitload of stuff in this bag.
I'm puffing already, Joy.
Somewhere.
There he is.
There's that up. So we go down there to the car park.
Yeah.
Right, Kimberly's looking.
We're going to Mario's.
Mario's looking.
Already buggered. Yeah. Let's get in our rhythm.
I always pick your moan anyway, so
Yeah. That's it.
we'll come back and do it.
Makes you feel better. Have a bit of a moan. What? The cow.
Some of them in front of me got me lost at the house.
We're going up.
Look, even the arrow's going up.
Sounds like a van or something pulling into the car park.
It's a bit spooky to be the only ones up here. Oh, my legs have gone weak.
Are they? Stop whenever you want to.
Got to find out what arrow we've got to follow, red or yellow. I think it's.
I can't remember.
I think this is where we went right last time.
I can't remember. Marriott's looking.
Marriott's
Yeah.
look out.
And Moss Gardens, yeah. That's what we did. Shall I go read the other side?
We didn't get far. If you want to, I'm not wasting my energy. We're on the right way.
Yeah, we're going the right way.
We went that way last time.
Can't do a loop like that. Join up again. We've already gained.
A thicker jacket.
I feel better without my coat on. We've already gained a fair bit of elevation. Bloody hell. Oh, my legs just went like cement then.
So we're not puffing just because we're unfit.
You can see the daylight up there at the top of the trees, in between the trees. So that's a good sign.
It's not straight up all the time then. Famous last words.
Yeah. Famous last words. Oh, we've got a
Maybe Marian's lookout's down on the other side.
We've got
There's
another.
wasn't the fern garden on the other side?
They both, I think, go to the fern garden. There's 2 arrows up here.
What one we followed? The yellow one.
Yep. We've got choices. We can take the shorter way, which is that way, I think, or the longer way.
Go up.
Go up?
Keep following yellow. That's the one we took. Did we follow yellow or did we
Yeah,
go
we
back?
follow yellow. Oh, look at this section.
I don't want to.
Up we go. Oh my goodness.
The other one.
My
I
heart.
thought we did the other one.
Yeah. My heart is going 101 miles an hour. Oh.
Not there yet.
Yep, we are. We're here. Oh.
Oh, the car. That's where we've been here before.
Oh, wow.
We have been here before.
Yeah. Yeah. We're the drone, remember?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Can't see the van.
No, I thought we could last time.
Okay, maybe it was.
Maybe that
Oh,
way.
there's a key. You can.
Can you?
Just got to get up on one of these.
Yeah.
There she is.
Oh, yeah.
We've gone round and up. Yeah, it's so busy.
This will be enough.
I have another one. Oh, that road's heavy.
Let's have a look and see. Right. Next lookout. By Mariah's lookout.
Been before, didn't realise. I did realise, but because we walked along here, then we walked, wasn't that far away?
This is where I was heading the other way, and you said, no, go this way. And you found this one, remember?
Yeah. And then we had
Yeah, we had Charlie and Bella.
Charlie and Beth. Yeah, we had Charlie to look at and Kimberly to look at.
Yeah. I do miss the kids.
Yeah, so do I.
I'm glad I didn't put Charlie's little legs through that though after that walk last weekend. Oh, the hard part's over, Julie. The hard part's over.
Well, come on. Touch wood. Early days yet.
Yeah, early days. I might let you go at the front and I'll
want me
video
to
us
take
from
the camera?
I'll go from behind. Yep. Is it facing this way? Yep.
Well, geez, she's getting good with that
The drone.
I'm going to put that on there. I thought, oh, it's only that on this one.
Yeah, I do have to have it sneaking out behind me to get us both. Oh, but I don't know. I think I can spin it around though, because it goes 360. So when I when I edit it.
It'll become a video anyway.
That's a mouthful.
You can just go that way to the other, look at.
No.
Yep.
Yep. Follow the yellow arrows.
We're going back down here to this other car park.
Yeah, we have to go down in a gully and then out the other side. That's what I remembered.
I don't.
So we had to go in one gully, down in a gully and then up again. We're on another little, not far here. We're on the range next to it. Never satisfied. Is that better?
Yeah. Now I can see we can go this way. Car park. Kimberley's look at.
Wonder what the car park track's like from here.
That's the one we come up,
No,
isn't it?
no, that one's back there behind us. We'll go down that one, eh?
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, we come up from underneath the lookout. And then we've walked away from the lookout.
We can explore a little bit.
Did we see the
It does look like downhill, so you've got to come back up it.
here's
My
some
legs aren't
signs?
walking properly right now.
Here's
Look at the
some
way I'm
signs.
walking. I feel like I've got a stick up my arse.
See, we didn't come to these, did we? There's Marriott's lookout, Mariah's lookout.
No,
There's the car park there. We didn't come up those.
I think that's the car park goes over to Sheffield, isn't it?
No, that's the car park we were looking over to. We were at the top. Oh yeah, and the car park was over there.
I think it can go down two ways.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go then. Remember this argument if we get to the Sheffield car park.
Right. That is a Sheffield car park that we left.
Oh, I mean the other.
The Railton car park. Or we can go straight down on Kimberley's lookout. Okay. Which we've done that a couple of times now.
Oh, we'll go yellow.
No, that's good. Stop whenever you want to. I won't mind. Honestly, I won't mind. I hide again. Oh, got the bum.
That's how dumb we are. We know it's here and we still come. Let's go dumb and dumber.
There's no pole here to stick our tongue on. Oh. I reckon I'll have to skip again.
I win.
I'm pretty sure that's where we came from. And that's where we're going. We're going to Kimberley and Charlie's lookout now.
Take it so it gets you coming up the hill.
Hey?
want me to take it so it gets you coming up the hill?
It does get me coming up the hill.
Oh. What do you want me to do?
You got it. Just yeah.
Right, like that.
Yeah, just turn it back a little bit. Yeah, that's it. And then when I add it, I can. Oh, good.
That last little bit's a killer.
Just don't look up. Don't look up. It's not there. It's not there.
I don't know how to go, just.
Go, gadget legs.
They'd come in handy about now.
Oh my God.
Gadget arms and pull ourselves up.
Can you see the top?
No. I can see light through that way, but not through this way. I think she curls up.
This one is just my fitness.
Yeah, my calves are
Down.
all right now. They've had a bit of break from that big up. Daylight.
Oh, we're up on the next one. Peak. Oh, look out there.
Is that getting it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait.
I knew it would start raining when we got to the top. Told you it twists around. My legs are going to jelly.
I'm tempted to go pull it to see what it's attached to.
Well, yeah, I can't see the rope.
The little thing right there?
No.
Hope no one's left the dog out and tied up.
Go and pull it and see what it's attached to. I can't even see a rope. Oh, yes, I can. Now.
Oh no, it's all tangled up in debris.
Someone's probably tried to climb. No, the rope's not straight on it.
No. I'll never forget that time we found a lead tied up to a dog collar and dog skeleton.
Oh, you're shitting me. When was that?
Oh, a few years back now, over near Native Brook Road.
Oh, you were far too late showing up for that one.
Far too late.
Oh, that's awful.
Someone just tied their dog up and left.
Was it tied up or stuck?
Tied up.
They might have run away and got a sleep caught.
No.
Oh, how mean.
Yep.
What kind, you don't know, big?
Disgusting.
Yeah. How cruel.
I hope bad things happen to that person.
So do I. How bloody cruel.
Where are you going?
I'm on the yellow one now.
Really?
I know, but just have a look. Just a little look. Ah, so it goes back down. Okay. Don't leave me. Don't let. Oh, there you are. Wasn't about panic.
No, not at all.
Doing an Ellie.
Don't leave me.
That way or this way?
That way.
Oh shit, there's a lot up to this one. I thought we were just going to walk nice and calmly across the top.
Yeah, I couldn't remember it being that far or that hard, but
So I think last time we went that way to Kimberley's, to Marion's Lookout.
no, we didn't.
I'm sure we did. And
Because
then
we went to
come-
Marion's Lookout and came this way.
Did we?
Yeah, we had.
Now where are we going? This is a lookout.
Oh, it's pretty out this way.
Does look pretty, but you can't see much.
Yeah, I'll turn that up around that way.
Yeah, good girl.
Wow, look over there. Look at the fog. Down to Charlie's Lookout. Down we go. Oh, shoot.
That's what I said. It's more me. What do you do then?
I'll try not to. Well, I'm going to get my foot stuck. Oh, you went that way.
Now I feel dizzy.
Hey?
Now I feel dizzy.
Oh, wow.
Do you reckon that's Marion's Lookout? I reckon it is. There was no hills in front of it.
I think we're off that head, that side.
Oh,
Because there's the road over there. You
yeah.
can't see that house with the alligator.
Yeah.
I mean, Sally Ann were down in there somewhere.
Ooh.
There's a... I'll get some photos of this. Yeah.
I think it's a selfie of you on the rock dust.
We'll cut up and see if we can find a walk now.
Slippery? It looks very slippery.
We'll go the other way if you don't feel safe. Don't.
It doesn't look so bad going up. It's a big stone there.
They're very comfy. And they dry so fast. I liked them so much I got 2 pairs. Alright.
Are we cheating or are we going? Is that way or that way?
Yeah, you choose. I'm happy either way.
We'll go that way so we can find the car park. And it's a bit longer.
Okay, sounds good.
And it's down here.
That was a bonus.
I guess that one is too.
Yeah, but you've got to go up a bit, go up a little bit, up and down a bit on the other one. See, when me and Sally Ann came down this way the other day, I didn't realise, I'd forgotten how steep it was coming down. I guess it felt steeper after doing 10 or 11 k's. Not this part, but when you start heading down.
Well, we'll see.
This is what most of our walk was like.
This is alright. This is easy peasy.
It's just walking steadily up, flat, steadily up, flat. In the bush.
We had it work out, that's for sure.
Yeah. We've just gone up. Up, 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 up.
Another 4-day week more again. Going up again. I'm gonna have to strip.
Strip time. The
Guess I was amazed how you let me stop. What have you done? Look at that bloody drone thing. Then I read something about your new camera. I thought,
yeah. I just have to be so careful with it this time. I was a bit too complacent. Oh! Yep, I am. Very cool to be kind. I reckon that's where that track might come out there. That's yellow. Oh no, that's going that way. That's not that way. I thought that might have been the one of Maria's comes out there and joins this track. If it's a yellow arrow, maybe not. Don't run. Don't run. See, we didn't end up back at the car park. We went to the lookout.
For all the up we did, I don't feel like we're going down enough.
We did level out. I'm going to get a track, see if I can find a map of all the walking tracks.
One there down there.
No, that's a bike track. That's the mountain bike track. Oh, we'll have a look and see if there is. I know there's the mountain bike path, they're not there.
This is pretty.
Yeah. The track beam Sally Ann took around the bottom, that was really pretty.
Was it?
Yeah.
I'll have to do it one day.
Yeah. That was like this. Yeah.
Hello, puppy.
Oh, look at her. They're a bit excited.
They don't bite, do they?
No, they just very jumpy and very loud.
They're excited. They said, we thought you were killers.
Hello.
Did you think we were
Settle. You're so excited. Sorry. Enjoy your walk. Settle. That's enough. Goodness gracious.
Hey? They're just happy to see you. Wonder what you're going to do.
They're probably thinking, oh, they're going to kill us. Oh, no, they're not. No, they're not.
It's a pretty track. You'll get all these shots of me going.
Well, when I started editing the video last night of mine and Sally Ann talk, and I've got all these shots of me going like this, Julie, looking in there.
Because I was thinking like that, I don't think you can see me.
Video editing.
This is good for your video editing.
Yeah.
What's it called
what's
when
the
you know?
word?
Practice? Practice. I'll go with practice.
All right, okay. I would have gone experience, but
That's the one I was trying to get out, but I couldn't. Ooh, it's
Yeah.
steep. I love the fact that the selfie stick disappears.
yeah,
I was trying to see it last time.
it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought, that's you taking a selfie there, so there's got to be a stick. I'm looking for it. And Sally Ann said her new camera thingy jiggy. Wow, that's really cool.
Did you see? She put the video of me carrying Charlie and the stick down. Did you see that
But one,
on Sally Ann's?
which one?
A video of me carrying the stick and Charlie down to Charlie's lookout.
No, I don't think I saw that.
She put it on there. If you really listen to it, when I have a bit of a sit on my bum with Charlie, I do this great big fart.
Oh, do you?
It knocks the wind out of me.
I
And she put it on there.
have to go on there and look, because I probably didn't watch the video. I just looked at the photos because I'd already seen what you'd put up, so I didn't bother looking at another video of it.
Yeah, she had it from me. She was taking it with her phone. And I slipped with Charlie, landed on my bum and up. It literally knocked the wind out of me.
Can you actually tell that it's a fart, or does it sound like you slid on
It's
the rocks?
right at the end of it. We were laughing. It literally knocked the wind out of me. She put it on Facebook.
Bitch. I like it.
I don't think you could even, like, no one would know what it was.
No, they probably wouldn't.
Funny.
I think it's funny.
He's a bit daintier than that. Oh. I watch too much YouTube. I think we have bunyips. I think I need to stop eating food. Oh, I've been eating like a pig.
Remember, my phone, we do these things on a channel.
I know. But there's got to be a limit. I've just been eating.
I decided to take a chocolate a day or less than daily chocolate a day for some of the
And chips, having hot chips a lot.
I like monthly dark chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm still a bit less of it, because I think I can afford to have more chips.